This is Group 45's Management Information Systems project on Domino's Pizza. The group consists of Daniel Rennie, Paul Harrington, Gary Potter, Craig Martin and Joe Hollis. Domino's was founded in 1960 by Tom and James Monaghan in Michigan, USA. As of 2012, there are over 8,000 stores in 50 international markets, including India, Egypt, the UK and Russia. Domino's employs over 145,000 people and earned revenues of approximately $1.425 billion in 2008. Domino's offers a diverse range of products, including pizzas, subs, sides, drinks, and desserts. Domino's mission statement is, "Exceptional people on a mission to be the best pizza delivery company in the world." Its business model is based around franchising. Franchising is a cheap way of spreading the Domino's brand to a wide volume of people without losing control of the business, all while growing rapidly at the same time. Furthermore, Domino's describes itself as the best pizza delivery service in the world. It bases this on fast production of fresh quality ingredients combined with quick delivery. For example, did you know in Domino's India, a pizza must be delivered in 30 minutes or less, otherwise it is free to the customer. Domino's operates in a very competitive market and faces stiff competition from the likes of Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Tops Pizza and many other local pizza houses. It is vital Domino's maintains a competitive advantage over its rivals. It has done so by the heavy use of TV advertisements, for example, sponsoring popular TV shows like The Simpsons and Britain's Got Talent. It has also utilised clever promotional campaigns, like the current 2 for Tuesdays campaign, which is essentially a buy one get one free offer. Despite the recession, Domino's was extremely successful and has increased sales in the UK alone by 39% in 2010 when compared to the previous year. Information technology, or IT, can be defined as the study or use of systems for storing, retrieving and sending information. There are many advantages Domino's gains from implementing an IT system into their business. Firstly, from a marketing view, Domino's can reach a global audience that would not be possible without using IT. Next, by using IT, Domino's is in constant communication with their customers. Customers can contact Domino's 24 hours, 7 days a week via the Domino's website, which is very reassuring to the customers. From a finance point of view, it is much cheaper to maintain a website or send an email than to constantly distribute physical collateral to entice and inform customers of new offers. Finally, Domino's is dependent on enterprise resource planning to organise and streamline its supply chain. However, there can be potential drawbacks to IT. Firstly, Domino's has to ensure it utilises an excellent online security system to prevent hackers from obtaining customers' precious credit card details. Also, Domino's is placing a growing emphasis on using online sources to order from them. Some customers, especially the elderly, may feel uncomfortable with this and would much rather prefer a more humanised face-to-face situation. There are a number of ways in which a customer can order from Domino's. Orders can be placed online, by phone, over the counter or by a mobile application. Customers can then choose whether to collect their order in-store or for it to be delivered to them.
In order to represent the data model that Domino's uses when an order is placed, we have constructed an entity relationship, or ER, diagram. Using this tool allows us to visualise the model showing what data needs to go into it and how it relates to each other in order to make the ordering process as efficient and successful as possible. This is the best method to explain and understand what is going on and be in a position to use this information at a later date. By creating an ER diagram, it also maps out what entities and attributes are needed to create a database to input this data into and store it for future reference. From the ER diagram, we created a database that would store all of the relevant data that is needed to place an order. The screenshot here shows all of the entities that exist in the database and the relationships that have been made between them to stop data repetition and gather the relevant data from each entity. The central entity is the order one. This is where all of the information about an order is gathered, such as what menu items the customer wants, who the customer is, where they live, and the overall price. Domino's can then use this information to manage the orders and successfully deliver them. Here, the entities are shown in full, containing example data. All of this data is stored for future use and can provide valuable information when analysed. Any company operating a comprehensive and well-maintained information or data system such as this can surely hold a competitive advantage.
In our first query, we decided to search a website for the price of a large Hawaiian pizza. We have expressed this query as an SQL statement. Firstly, we stated that we wanted the result of the query to select the item, size and price of the pizza. We then stated where these attributes would come from, which was the menu table. Finally, we chose the conditions for the query. These were that the category had to equal pizza, the item had to equal Hawaiian, and the size had to equal large. This query produced a box on the website which clearly provides the item, Hawaiian, the size, large, and the price, $15.99. In our second query, we decided to search the website for Domino stores in the south of England. We chose to select all entries that are in the south of England from the store table. Our conditions for this query were that the region had to equal south. We also used the command words order by to sort the Domino stores alphabetically. To perform this query on the website, the user gets an option to skip to the chosen region. The result of this query clearly shows the Domino stores in the south sorted in alphabetical order.
We have a number of recommendations to improve the interface of the Domino's website. The first idea we had was that Domino's could offer returning customers an option that would allow them to view the orders that they had made in the past and give them the opportunity to reorder again in order to make the order process easier and faster. Another way in which we thought the Domino's website could be improved would be to reward customers pizza points to customers for every purchase made. This would give customers an incentive to return to the Domino's website, as they can use the pizza points to buy products from the website. Our final suggestion for Domino's was for the nutritional information of their products to be displayed on the website. This would help customers when it comes to placing an order, as well as attracting more health-conscious potential customers. Thank you. To summarize, Domino's has been extremely successful in the past 5 years, despite the recession. Domino's has established itself as a global company, seeing profits surge to $21.345 million in Australia alone. Domino's has a strong and structured management information system that has to handle many queries simultaneously to stay ahead of its many competitors. However, despite Domino's having an efficient and very easy to navigate website, we have made a number of suggestions that we are sure would further improve the interface of the website. The suggestions are: remembering previous orders, pizza points, and easier to access nutritional information. This is Group 45 signing off. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Goodbye.